button. It is software dashboard. Business information can be updated from here. It is mandatory to fill red marked fields. This information will appear in the report's header. You can save customer name, address, phone number and opening balance with the picture. You can update and delete it if needed. It's very easy to do. You can save supplier name, address, phone number and opening balance with the picture. You can set sales VAT. You can maintain multiple warehouse. You can organize products using Shelves module. By using this module you count your business before your eyes and easily manage your product. Product name, unit, batch, group name. You can create product groups if needed. Manual barcode or auto-generated barcode, VAT, purchase cost, sales price, reorder point, opening balance and expiry date, etc. From here you can see all the products list and easily find out any product by using name, barcode or group name. You can import item from Excel file. Select the file from the directory. Click the Save button. All valid data Excel file imported into the database. From here you can print barcodes. There is a chance to print barcode of one or more products. From here you can see the stock of all the products. Product name, quantity, cost, sale price, warehouse, shelf, etc. can be seen. Any product can be found out from here. Double-click on the product to update the information. Inventory can be damaged in many ways. You can calculate the total worth of the damaged inventory. Using existing records, you can separate damaged inventory from warehouse. Select the warehouse, enter quantity, write a description, and click the Save button. Quantity will be reduced from stock. To enable this, the strong inventory management with stock being tracked as they are moved from one warehouse to other with different stock keeping unit is required. From warehouse, just select the source warehouse from where the goods are moved, and to warehouse, select the target warehouse where you are moving the goods to. Enter any comment which you wish to store for the transaction. In this section, you can create a new tax invoice. Select item from this combo, enter quantity, and click the Add button. You can use barcodes. You can pay a discount on the total sales price. You can make a collection through cash and cards. You can add billing address and shipping addresses from here. Preview the print. Complete the sale. In this section, you can easily create sales receipts using barcode reader. In this part, you can select the product by clicking on the product group. From here you can set up a customer display. You can take payment through cash and card in the single invoice. After clicking on the Complete button, the invoice printing will start. Here you will find list of invoice. Double-click to edit. To purchase product, select the warehouse, select the product, enter quantity, enter the total value. If it have expiry date, then specify it. If you want to make payment, then enter payment amount. Select the name of the supplier. Click the Save button. Press Print button to confirm it. Now press the Complete button. After pressing the Complete button, the products will be added to the stock. For sales return, find out the invoice. All sold products are displayed below. To return product, click on the Grid button of the product. Enter quantity and click on the minus button. To refund amount, enter the amount and press the Refund button. Press the Print Preview button. For the purchase return, find out the purchase invoice. Select the product. Enter quantity and click the minus button. Enter the amount you want to collect. Press Print Preview button. To collect due amount, enter the invoice number. All due amount will appear. To make the collection, enter amount and press the Save button. You can make the collection according to the customer's ID. In the same process, able to pay arrears. Through this software, you can store employee information. Enter employee name, designation, address, phone, opening date, balance, picture, and click on Save button. You can update or delete any information if needed. In this section, you can take employee attendance or absence record, select employee name, check employee status, write a remark if needed, and click on the Save button. Using this section, you can make payment, select the employee name, enter a description if needed, enter amount, and click on the Save button. Update or delete information if needed. Using this section, you can save the daily expenses. Create expenditure account head from here. Select the expenditure account from the drop-down menu, write a description if needed, enter amount, and click on the Save button. You can update and delete any information. From the Reports menu, click on Items. You can view all item list or group-wise item list. You can export data. You can print preview stock list from here. Sales report based on date, customer, item, best product sales. Purchase report, based on date, supplier, item. Return reports. Get return report, bases on date, item, sales return, purchase return. Get credit report, bases on date to date, collection, payment, customer, supplier. Get employee report, bases on employee list, attendance, payment. Get expense report, bases on date to date, expenditure account. To create a user, enter username, full name, password, privilege, check user right, and click on Save button. You can modify full name, user right. It supports multi-language functionality. Select language from drop-down, check on Set as default language, and click on Save button. Restart the software. Now enjoy your native language, Chinese. Spanish. Hindi. Arabic. Bengali. It supports the multi-language functionality by means of a translated XML file. You can update your language file by editing XML file. You can reset databases by using this section.